How to use Xbox 360 controller on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to use an Xbox 360 controller on Roblox. It's a straightforward process, so follow along with your Xbox 360 controller or any other controller you have. Using a controller on Roblox is as straightforward on PC as it offers full Xbox controller support. If your official or generic Xbox 360 controller is properly detected by your computer, you can use it in Roblox. Typically, you connect the Xbox 360 controllers to your PC using a USB cable, but wireless connection may also be an option. Once connected to your PC, set it up by right-clicking the Windows icon on the taskbar, going to the Device Manager, and finding the Xbox 360 Peripherals category. Expanding it, right-clicking the controller option, and updating the driver if needed. Most controllers should set up automatically. But if the issue arises, try searching automatically for the drivers. You can start using your controller in any game. Many experiences will be tailored for controller use, such as in Bloxfruits, where you will see the message Console Mode Activated Gamepad. When using the Xbox 360 controller, it's a simple process as long as your computer or the mobile device detects the controller. If you face any difficulties, try updating the drivers again and using the external tools like Joy 2 Key. So I hope this guide on using an Xbox 360 controller on Roblox was helpful. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.